You're 10 miles from the trailhead when your partner falls. No cell service, no ambulance. In the wilderness, you aren't just the first responder, you are the urgent care. Are you ready? Most people define wilderness as a place of beauty, but in medical terms, it's defined by time. If you are more than 1 hour away from a hospital, you are in a wilderness emergency. In these moments, the golden hour, the first 60 minutes after trauma, is critical, but in the backcountry, you must remain calm and provide care for as long as it takes. Rule number 1. Protect yourself. You are no good to a victim if you become a victim too. Check the scene. Look for falling rocks, rising water, or environmental threats. The shout test. Approach the patient and shout, "Hey, are you okay?" If they answer, you've confirmed they have an open airway and a pulse. Stop the bleeding. Before anything else, apply firm direct pressure to any obvious wounds. Hypothermia. This is a drop in core temperature below 35 degrees Celsius. If they stop shivering, they've moved from mild to severe hypothermia. Get them into a sleeping bag with a pad underneath immediately. Heat stroke versus exhaustion. Heat exhaustion involves heavy sweating and cramps. Heat stroke is a life-threatening emergency where the patient stops sweating, becomes confused, and their temperature soars above 104 degrees. Use ice packs on the neck, armpits, and groin to cool them fast. Lightning. If you hear thunder, get off high ridges and summits. If caught in the open, separate your group members by at least 20 feet to prevent a single strike from hitting everyone. Snake bites. Forget the old myths. Never use a tourniquet, never cut and suck, and never use a venom extractor. Simply remove rings or watches before swelling starts. Circle the bite with a marker and hike to the nearest hospital for anti-venom. Clean it right. Use only drinkable water to clean wounds. Avoid alcohol or peroxide. They kill healthy tissue and slow down healing. Splinting. If a bone is broken, immobilize the joints above and below the injury. Use what you have, sticks, backpack frames, or sleeping pads, to create a rigid support. The rule of threes. 3 of anything is the international signal for distress. 3 whistle blasts, 3 flashes of light, or 3 piles of rocks. Tech support. If you have a personal locator beacon, PLB, or satellite messenger, trigger it early. Don't wait until the situation is hopeless. Knowledge is the lightest tool in your pack, but it's the most important. Take a wilderness first aid course, pack the right gear, and always tell someone your route before you go. Stay safe out there. Subscribe on YouTube and visit over50strong.net for more trail safety guides.